Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to solve this error, which is the route register could not be found. So let's open the inspect view and resend the request again. We'll see the error here. The register route is not found. So in order to solve this issue error, first of all check this is the route which is being sent. So first of all check your registered route. As you can see, here is the login route, but it says the route is not found. Or you can also see here is the register route. So go to your vhost and make sure you have added a location for your backend, which will be running probably on 8000 port. So location slash this means it will be accessible when you call your domain. So if you go to your home page, this will redirect to this host, which will be running on your app port, which will be 3000. And for the backend you have to create another location. So since this is already existed, you can name it anything you want. Let's say it's app slash this. So when you call domain name slash app, then the backend will be called backend server. So let's save it, and then you have to resend the request, and you will see it's not solved yet. So let's move to your front end and go to your env file, and here this is the root URL for the submission. As you can see, this is clear terms slash API slash register. So we have to call the backend API. So since this one means this, but our backend route is located on here, clear terms API. So we have to update our env file. Here you can see we already added the API, but it's not still accessible. So we have to call this. So this will be app. So let's add app. So this means it will be call to the backend, then the API route, and then when we call the register or any other route from the backend, this will be accessible. So let's save it and let's run the server. Sorry. And let's try again. As you can see, now it's successfully get the route and there is no longer error. Same for the login or another route. So now you can see the request has been successfully sent. So this was only a mismatch of the backend route.